Hello, everyone. We are going to continue with equivalent fractions on page 187. Today, we're going to find different ways to write whole numbers as fractions. Let's take a look at the example. Mrs. Clark cut 2 same-size pieces of colored paper into sixths to make strips for paper chains. How many strips did she make? She cut 2 same-size pieces of colored paper into sixths. Sixths, S-I-X-T-H-S, sixths. To make strips for paper change, how many strips did she make? Well, let's take a look at this. One whole piece of paper cut into sixths is how many sixths? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 sixths. So you take that one whole piece of paper, and it's the same as 6 sixths, as I've shown you here. But she did 2 pieces of colored paper. So 2 pieces of colored paper gives you how many sixths? Gives you the first ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It gives you 12 sixths. So 2 wholes is equal to 12 sixths. So she made 12 strips, and each of those strips is 1/6 of the whole piece. Another way you can figure that out, if you have 12 sixths of something, and you want to know how many holes that would be, how many whole pieces that would be. Like say you have 12 of those 1/6 pieces of that paper chain, and you want to put it back together into the original strips to find out the original pieces of paper, and you want to put it back together to find out how many of those strips you need, you can divide. You can do 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 equals 2, because 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 sixths is the same as 2 wholes. It makes it a little bit easier if you have your multiplication division chart out, or it makes it much easier if you know your facts or have a calculator around. Let's take a look at the next one. Write these whole numbers as fractions, and they're giving you thirds to work with. Whoa, I didn't want that. So whole numbers as fractions. Number 1. 1 whole is how many thirds? Well, here's 1 whole. 1 whole piece of paper. Or you want to get more creative, you can say, oh, there's 1 whole sheet of brownies. How many thirds is that? Well, count them up. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 3 thirds. So 1 whole is equal to 3 thirds. Do the next one. 2 wholes is equal to how many thirds? So let's take a look at this sheet of brownies. I like brownies. And this sheet of brownies. So 2 whole sheets of brownies cut into thirds is how many thirds? Well, count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 whole sheets of brownies cut into thirds would be 6 thirds. Number 3. Let's take a look at 3 whole. 3 whole, hey, come back here, color. 3 whole sheets of brownies, 1, or pans of brownies, 2, 3 whole sheets of brownies cut into thirds would be how many thirds? You should be noticing a pattern now. 1 whole is 3 thirds. 2 holes is 6/3. 3 holes is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/3. Do you see a pattern? 3, 6, 9. You should. Let's look at number 4. Oh, now they want to know what 4 holes would be if they were cut into thirds. But we don't have 4 holes. They didn't give it to us. So you can draw another hole and make it into thirds if you like to do that. Or you can follow the pattern. 3, 6, 9. What's next? They're counting by 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. They're counting by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's double check it. Let me change colors here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 equals 12/3. And like I said before, when we started this, if you divide 3 goes into 12 how many times? Or 12 divided by 3 is what? Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 holes. What is 9 divided by 3? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So if you know your division facts, multiplication facts, this could be a lot faster to do, but drawing the pictures can be a lot more fun and give you a better idea of what the concept is behind fractions and whole numbers. See you on page 190. Bye.